Well, hello, Williams, Philippines, and it is about 11:20 a.m. on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. Yay, Election Day. A lot of choices I wasn't really happy with having to make. I think I mentioned about the sanctuary city for abortions and the government wanting to tell people where they can leave the state to go to. Oh yeah, you can't leave the state, you can't leave here to go there if you live here. I disagree with that, but then I also disagree with abortion. Horrible choice to have to make. And, well, they wanted to add extra people in for my city council. That's gone. They had a couple of things on there I'm really just not liking, but it is what it is. And, well, I don't know about you, but when it comes down to adding more people into government, it's kind of like with the HOA. I don't believe in HOAs. I don't believe in government. I don't like them. God said, you ain't going to like the judges and kings. He's right. So why should we want to add extra people into the mix, into the mess, and give them authority in our lives so that an idiot that was elected by other people can tell you how to live your life? Yeah. How's that working out for you? That's why I won't have a house that's in an HOA. I would never do it. I ain't going to add an extra layer of government into my life. I can barely tolerate the ones I've got here now. Add more? Nah. Ain't me. But hey, you get to make your choice, just please don't inflict your stupidity on me if you're going to make some stupid choice to add government. Yeah. I think I mentioned once that I really don't believe in government. Excuse me. Gas from the soda. Just got back from running around getting, well, voting, a little bit of shopping, another bit of shopping for, I tried to find another place, $280. Hey, that's $100, well, $90 more than what yeah. Not happy with that. I didn't get over to get the tire pressure checked. I'll do that on the way out in the morning. Get over there, get that, and then get down the road. No, it's not really tire pressure, balance, because I got one of them that's wobbling for some strange reason. I feel it. It's not much of one. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Probably do that after I go by and get some gas in my car. Trying to run it down. I want to add some of that water burner that tries to burn the water out of your gas. Try to take and do that repeatedly for a while. Because, yeah, I got a hold of that bad gas a while back, and it's definitely causing me issues on my car. I won't go by Allsup's again. I think that was the name of the place. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. Oh, yeah, it's, like I say, Tuesday, Election Tuesday, and If you're here in America, I hope you voted or not voted. Your choice is your choice. I kind of agree with Carlin in one way, that if you don't vote, you don't, you have the right to bitch because they messed it up. But then I also kind of feel that you don't have a right to bitch because you weren't out there trying to fix it. I don't know. That's the problem with government. Like Reagan said, the scary words, "I'm from the government and I'm here to help you." Yeah, lie some more. It's government. It's not here to help you, period. Steal from you, rob you, kill you if you won't give them your money. They'll do that. You think I'm joking? Don't pay your taxes or drive down the road and don't pay your tickets. They'll send some assassins with badges to come kill you over tickets. Yeah. Or property tax. Yeah. Anyway. I get to going down to Lubbock for my last trip down there. I think it's my last. I'm hoping I don't have to go there again. I don't want any more of this. I'm tired of it. Dang, too many trips already. Figured I've got 1,250 miles just going there and back so far, and with tomorrow it'll be 1,500. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. So, it is what it is. Anyway, get this took care of tomorrow, and hopefully get back sometime reasonable and get some sleep tomorrow. And that's what I'm about to go do here, is because, well, coming up on noon. By the time I get this out, it'll be noon. And I don't know about you, but I really do want to go to sleep. But yeah, I was looking at a couple of things about the Philippines, and oh yeah, I'm ready to go. Was talking to somebody while I was down getting cat litter today. He asked me, "Why aren't you getting any more fish?" Well, I've drained all my fish tanks and I'm not buying fish because I'm tired of them and I need to save money. So I'm not buying tropical fish at $5 and $10 a pop. Used to be one of the things I did. I enjoyed raising them. Now I'm not doing that. He was wondering, because I don't see him every time, but he was wondering what was up. So I told him I'm retiring in 8 months to go catch a big one in the Philippines. I want to try to catch that big tuna, even if it's only my size. That's a good tuna. A lot of good eating. But yeah, I'm ready to go and enjoy being over there. Like I say, it's all upside to me. I get over there and live between 82 and 85 or 87. Yeah, I die on a tropical island if that happens. If I get over there and I actually make it to 68, I'm an old man. If I actually haul off and get over there and make it longer, hey, extra bonus. You know, I want to shoot for 85. Yeah, that'd be good. Even if I die broke, I'll die happy on a tropical island fishing. Yeah. So, definitely looking at 8 months and a week and a half. Something like that. Or a half week, something. Yeah. It's not that far off. We're getting it figured out. Anyway, Hope everybody's having a blessed day, and that you have lots of food. That's what I was snacking. Usually try not to do chips because they're not really good for you. But every once in a while, I want to. And hey, I hauled off, and while I was over there, I picked up one of those summer sausages and some peanuts. And I figure summer sausage, some cheese, peanuts, and chips. I'm going to have a snack that's really a lunch. I know, probably not the best meal in the world to have. But hey, some days you just got to enjoy your dinner. It is what it is. Anyway, I really hope you've had a blessed day. I'm Williams Philippines. Get you a good meal, even if it isn't good for you. I'm Fish. Fish is out.